All right, we just got back, me and Pops, from probably what, 5-hour road trip.
Yeah, at least.
We just went and picked up a new toy. It's right behind you guys. You guys will probably know what it is by the thumbnail, but anything I can buy used or brand new used, I will just always go that route. We were looking around for a little bit and price was right. Just everything happened to work out. Anything I can get a good deal on, I will go buy like that. So we got a new toy. Should be a good time. My Pops just had one, and it was just time that we finally added one to the fleet. And yeah. Also, dually is for sale. Second gen's for sale. Turbos off the first gen are for sale. My 4-wheelers, anything, basically everything I own besides this first gen is for sale. If any of you guys want something, hit me up. But yeah, without further ado, here's some new gear.
I just put it in 4-wheel drive and launch it.
4-wheel drive?
Yeah. You'll just spin the tires if you don't.
Do I back up?
Yeah. Just straight back.
You think I should put it in 4-wheel drive?
Yeah, 4-wheel launch it.
4-wheel launch. Okay, ready? That's one way to get off the trailer.
Yeah, that did it. You can look at the grooves it left in there as soon as them hit.
Put my 4-point harnesses on here. That's a little snug, huh? How in the hell?
You gotta
I'm too
loosen
dumb.
them. You gotta, get the middle one cinched.
Well, but these need to go down like around your waist more, don't they?
Yeah, these you only use these to tighten, right?
It'll be fine for the time being. Ooh,
It's nice and snug.
snuck in there.
Ooh, church is just getting out. Where'd it go?
Is it in the back? Oh, it's in the back.
Okay, it'll be fine there. Sorry. You hear that? Hear a little
Test out the suspension. Race car. After 30 seconds of driving, I think I should hook a S480 on this puppy.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's compound. and you gave it some gas.
Let me put on my 4-point racing harness. S480 GT55 dual fuelers.
You wouldn't be able to stop burning the tires.
These burnout marks here may or may not have been mine.
May or may not.
This thing is an absolute unit. Ripski.
We got Pops getting strapped in.
Strapped in for the ride.
Keep your arms and legs in at all times, guys.
Absolute ripper. Just catch us ripping for a little bit. Some rock crawling here. We actually have a UTV park at our
dirt course.
Yeah, we have a UTV park at our house. Do a little testing here. Ah, it rides like a caddy.
Yeah.
New unit. Ain't diesel related, but I figured give you guys a video of something. So 2021 Turbo S. It only has 74 miles on it when we bought it. We already have 85. I'm doing a little bit of ripping around, but yeah, just in the market for a side-by-side and lucked into this one. Way too good of a deal to let go by. Not a huge fan of the orange, so I think we might change that up, wrap it or something. But yeah, figured get a video of you guys out for your side-by-side. I'm trying to get truck stuff going. Got my stuff up for sale, so I get some more stuff going on the first gen. But yeah, side-by-side stuff, diesel stuff.
Hey, they both got turb skis. That's all that matters.
Yeah, so the plans after we'll probably do S480 over a GT55 on the manifold, dual fuelers, big old set of sticks. And yeah, I mean, then she should be good to just eat.
You rock it.
Dune trip, yeah. But yeah, she's good. She's good. Fun time. At this point, I wish I would have just cheaper options. Probably would have been cheaper to go do drugs, but diesel, side-by-sides, all that stuff's all a good time. So, but gonna wrap it up for this video, guys. Appreciate you guys watching. We'll get you probably, hopefully, another first gen video next weekend. And yeah, we'll catch you next week. Peace out.